Ever tried adding a QR code to your design, but it just looks blurry? Here's a better way. Barcode Generator, a simple Chrome extension that lets you instantly create high-quality barcodes and QR codes. The generated codes are in SVG format. That means they stay sharp, even when resized, perfect for design, print, or web. It's not just for QR codes. You can also create standard barcodes, all with a couple of clicks. Generate both barcodes and QR codes in seconds. Installation is quick. Just add it to Chrome. And it's ready. Right in your browser toolbar and working offline. So, if you work with designs or need quick barcodes, give it a try. Get perfect codes right in your browser. Install Barcode Generator. Always sharp, always ready. Link in description.